Hi, in part 2 I made the stiles and rails for the frame. Now let's move on to the Kumiko. Shoji are relatively simple to make, and once you've learnt the steps and techniques that I'll show you in this short series, you'll be making your own very soon. My design has a lattice made up of 3 vertical and 6 horizontal Kumiko. The Kumiko are woven to produce the lattice and have halving joints at every intersection. The ends of each Kumiko have a bare-faced tenon to attach to the rails and stiles. Rough Kumiko are first marked out for and sawn from a clear, straight-grained piece of pine. My longer vertical Kumiko came from some offcuts which needed to be planed down to size. The Kumiko can be ganged up now and planed to finished width and thickness. And just as I did with the frame components, I'll smooth plane them at this point. Each Kumiko in the lattice requires 2 mortises in the frame. These are first drilled and then paired to size. Kumiko are gang clamped between the frame members to copy the exact locations for all the halvings and the tenons. I knocked together a very simple jig which helps me to saw to depth the halvings and also to pare out the waste. It also helps hold the Kumiko whilst I do the tenon cuts. The tenons are of course bare-faced in their width, but in their thickness they get a small shoulder which helps the appearance. Join me next time when I'll be finishing off my Shoji doors.